Good morning, everybody. From the last 1 year, our world is facing a global pandemic named COVID-19. We all know how miserable lives have become everywhere. And in these difficult times, we have witnessed the importance of our traditional lifestyle. Yoga and other traditional methods have helped us stay strong in these difficult times. International Yoga Day is also approaching on 21st June. So we should enrich our body and soul with yoga and continue fighting with COVID-19. We at Aditya Birla Vani Bharti are organizing yoga workshop for students, teachers, and parents also. Thank you all. Now, first we will do some physical exercise, and after that we will do Surya Namaskar asanas, and after that some yogasans. Okay, so now please all of you stand up. Two important things I want to say first. One, when you are doing yogasans, always you do it with empty stomach. Okay, and next, if there is any medical problem, then first you take advice from the doctor, and after that you practice it. Okay, thank you. Now we will start our physical exercise. First we will do hand rotation. Start. 1, change back, change, 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 hand rotation, shoulder with shoulder, opposite, opposite, change, body twist, change. Keep your hand to the waist, and now head rotation. Change, head rotation. Opposite sides. Now change, waist rotation, waist, opposite, change. Now, cross warm up, opposite toe touch. Make a big gap, both the leg. Again, back position. Raise your hand. Front bending. Stop. Now we will do Surya Namaskar. Make 6 inches gap both the leg. Make 6 inches gap both the leg. Okay. Make 6 inches gap both the leg. Yes. Start. Now, front bending. Change. Now, like heel. Touch chest and knee joint both. Up. Back. Now right leg fold. Back. Change. Thank you. Now all of you sit down. First we will do Padmasan. Start. Fold both the leg. Backbone straight. Keep your backbone straight. Normal breathing. When you are doing any asanas, you stay at least 30 seconds and try to keep your backbone straight and keep always normal breathing. Change, leg change, same Padmasan, change the leg. You change your leg. Now, Yoga Mudra. From this position, you keep your Buddha hand near the navel. Touch and slowly down. Touch your forehead to the ground. Do slowly. Up. Spread both the leg. Straight both the leg. Now, Gomukhasana. Fold one leg from the knee joint backside. Yes. And another leg is fold up. Which leg is up? That hand is up. If left hand leg is up, then your left hand will up. Okay? And when you do right leg up, that time right leg. Okay, stay. Change. Change. Leave. Slowly leave. Again, straight Buddha leg. Straight. Now, Vajrasana. Straight Buddha leg and slowly you fold your leg from the knee joint back. Vajrasana. 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 Only way this asana you can do after taking your food. This is the asanas, only asanas. It helps us digestion, for digestion. Okay? After eating or taking food, you can practice these asanas. Okay? Yes. Very good. From here, we do Ardha Kurmasana. Spread your hand. Do like Namaskar. Down, slowly down. Touch the ground with your forehead. Normal breathing. Hand straight. You sit on your leg. Stay. Stay. Up. 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 Yes. Now, lie down. All of you lie down with up your face. With up your face. Lie down. Now, Utthan Pado Asana. Utthan Pado Asana. Okay. Down, down, slowly, down. Yes. Now, Brijasan, Setu Bandha Asan. Fold your both the leg from this position, lying down position. Fold your leg like this. Up your this is Brijasan or Setubandh Asan. Down, down. Change your position. Sit with face downwards. Sit. Lie down. Lie down. Change. Lie down. Face downwards. Yes. Change the position. Yes. Now, Salvasan. You up your both the leg. Salvasan. Touch your face to the ground and up your both the leg. Salvasan. Touch your face to the ground. Touch your face to the ground. Yes. Now, Bhujanga Asan. Keep your hand to the side. Yes, set beside your chest. And slowly up to navel. Will up and from navel to lower portion is down. Touch to the ground. Down. Next, Dhanurasan. From this position, fold your both the leg back. From this position, yes. Keep your leg by the right hand. You do right leg and left by left hand, left leg. Yes, up. Give pressure and try to up. Only belly portion will touch the ground. This is Dhanurasan. These all asanas are very helpful for each and everyone. Anybody can do these asanas except any medical problem, I have told. Otherwise, everyone can do these asanas. Now, again, back position. Face up, face with up. Now we'll do Pavan Mukta Asana. Same back position, face with up, face with up. Yes. Now do it slowly. Fold your right leg first and give pressure with your both hand. Yes. Give pressure. Keep your right leg up your belly portion. Give pressure. Normal breathing. This is Pavan Mukta Asana. There are 3 steps. First, right leg. Now left leg will be straight. Yes. Leave right leg. Slowly leave. Now right leg is straight. Fold left leg. Fold left leg. And give pressure. Yes. Leave. Slowly. Now, fold both the leg. Slowly and give pressure. This is Pavan Mukta Asana. This is Pavan Mukta Asana. Leave slowly. Now do Savasans. Actually, we need, after doing every Yogasans, Savasans. When you are practicing at home, after doing every Yogasans, yoga, you must do for 30 seconds Savasana. Relax. Totally relaxed. Spread your leg, spread your hand, and close your eyes, but only normal breathing. This is Savasana. Now, all of you, first sit. Now, we'll do Vrikshasan. First you sit. Yes. Stand up slowly. Now, stand up slowly. Vrikshasan. Vriksha. Pear. Gach. Tree. Stand with your single leg. Left leg will touch the ground. First, we will start with left leg. Left leg will touch the ground, and right leg is fold. Balanced your body. Now, raise your both the hand. Do like Namaskar. Stay. Yes, leave it. Change, leg change now. Right leg will touch the ground. First, you balanced your body. Yes. Now raise your hand slowly. When you are doing yogasans, you always do it slowly. Yogasan is a not fast exercise. It is a slow movement. Leave slowly. Leave it slowly. Now all of you sit down. Sit down. Now we'll do pranayam. Pranayam, fold your both the leg. Kapalbhati pranayam. Keep your hand to the knee. Yes, now start. Release your breathing with your nose. Sound will come and your belly is inside. You try to do it 50 times. If tired, then you can take rest after doing 20 times or 25 times you take rest for a few seconds, and after that again you start. It is very good exercise for us. You practice it. And next, Anulop Vilop. Sitting position is same. Keep your thumb finger here and take oxygen, yes. Give pressure and leave it by this side. Again take by this side. Leave. Again take by this side. Leave. This is also you practice 50 times, 25 by right side and 25 by left side. If you are feeling tired, then you can take rest and again you will start. When you are doing yogasanas, never you give any pressure and any problem, then you stop it. Again start. Okay, so you all of you please now leave it. Leave it. Yes. Everybody must practice. Try to practice regularly these yogasanas at least 30 minutes. If possible, 1 hour. Please you request your parents, your family members all, and your society, your relatives. Please practice it. It is very helpful. It is very helpful. Mainly in this pandemic time, these yogasanas will boost our immunity power. So it is very helpful. So I think you enjoyed this session, this workshop, and you must practice this every day at your home. All of you stay safe, stay blessed. Again, happy International Yoga Day. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.